Hello everybody, welcome to another exciting tutorial on our channel. Today we are diving deep into the world of PySpark, where we will explore how to simplify the process of the reading nested JSON data from MongoDB into PySpark DataFrame. Handling nested structure can be tricky, but for that, we have got you covered. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge of the efficiently work with the complex JSON data using PySpark. Okay, in this tutorial, we will start by examining a sample JSON document with the nested structures, understanding its complexity. We will introduce PySpark, a powerful tool for distributed data processing, and demonstrate how it makes handling nested JSON data as a breeze. Okay, and we will walk through a step-by-step solution, showcasing a PySpark function tailored to read nested JSON data from MongoDB. The function takes care of the intricacies, allowing you to select a specific column and create a PySpark DataFrame effortlessly. Throughout the video, we'll explain the code, highlighting key elements like Spark Session setup, JSON data reading, and column selection. A real-world example will illustrate the function's application, making it easy for you to adapt it to your own projects. By the end of the tutorial, you will have a simplified approach to extract valuable information from this JSON structure in MongoDB using PySpark. Don't miss out on streamlining your workflow and enhancing your data processing capabilities. Let's jump into the code and simplify reading nested JSON data with the PySpark. Okay, first, import necessary PySpark libraries from PySpark.SQL import Spark Session. Next, from PySpark.SQL.function and import column. Okay, next step. This sample JSON data represents a document with a nested structure, typically obtained from MongoDB. Okay, and define the function. This function takes a PySpark DataFrame and a nested structure mapping, read JSON data into a DataFrame, selects a specific columns based on the nested structure, and returns a new DataFrame with the desired column. Okay, def read nested JSON from MongoDB. Existing, okay, df first parameter and second nested struct. Okay, from existing df is a PySpark DataFrame not used in the current implementation, and nested structure is a dictionary mapping desired column names to their corresponding nested paths. Okay, and here Spark. Initialize Spark Session. Okay, Spark Session that builder dot app name Mongo JSON reader, sorry, MongoDB JSON reader. Okay, that get or create. Okay, and okay, next step is to read the data from the MongoDB into a data frame. df, okay, df PySpark dot read dot JSON Spark dot Spark context dot prolixed okay lies okay and yeah, and existing df Spark with JSON is used to read JSON data and create a data frame. Spark context prolix the sample JSON data into a RDD resilient data distributed data set to distribute it across the Spark cluster. The resulting RDD is then create a data frame df. Okay, and next is select the necessary columns from the data frame. Select columns, okay, and yeah, call nested call path dot alias, okay, and nested call, okay, and for a nested call, okay, nested call pass in nested struct dot items, okay. Nested struct is a dictionary that map desired column named to their corresponding nested path. A list comparison is used to create a list of the columns object by applying the column call functions to each nested path, and an alias is assigned based on the original column name. The list of the selected calls is stored in a select calls variable. Okay. Next step is a result df. Result df resultant selected method is a use on a data frame. Oh, sorry. Before that, define it. Okay, result df equal df dot select, okay, and asterisk selected codes, okay. We created a new data frame with only the selected columns. The select method is a use on the data frame df to choose the specified columns. This the asterisk selected columns syntax unpack the list of the selected columns into individual argument for the select method. The result is a new data frame result df containing only the selected columns. Okay, and finally return the resulting data frame. return result result df. Okay, and okay, assuming you have an existing data frame named sample JSON data that we have defined already, okay, and want to extract city from address and home from phone and other contracts. Okay, existing data frame equal sample, okay, sample JSON data, okay, and here nested structure equal, okay, okay. This code has a specific query syntax. Okay, first parameter define the column name. Okay, you can custom it. Okay, ID and ID here, and next age equal age. Okay, and zip. Okay, zip zip there is in second level. Okay, so you must write like this. This is the first address. Oh, sorry. Address and equal address dot zip, okay, and comma city equal address dot city, and next email dot email equal contacts dot email, and next is a landline home phone. Okay, it's very complex because there is a 4 or 5 second level. Yes, and here I define a custom column name home landline, okay, and here contacts dot phone dot home dot, and finally landline. Okay, and here result data frame, okay, and read a nested MongoDB existing data frame, and nested structure. And finally show their result data frame. Result data frame dot show, okay, and here truncate equal false. Okay, you can see the result set that columns come from different level. Okay, and you can get the data very easy. Okay, thank you for watching. Happy coding.